Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is extremely exciting for me because this is going to be a Tjmaxx and Marshall's haul, and this is the best ever Tjmaxx and Marshall haul I think I've ever done. I was so amazed and I'm still amazed and can't believe what I found. So let's just go ahead and get into this. Also, I'm sorry, my new chair is like a swinging chair, and so like I find myself doing this all the time just because I can. Because I can never do it with my other one. If that's really annoying, someone let me know down in the comments and I will try to make a habit to stop it, but it's like fun, you know? So first off, we're gonna start with something exciting, and I know a lot of people have found these, but this is the first time I've ever seen my Tjmaxx having them, and these are the Shiseido facial cottons. In here are 25, no, there's 40. Oh, that's amazing. Okay, so there's 40 in here, and it was going for at Tjmaxx $2.99, which I think is amazing because these are really expensive on Sephora. So this one, again, it is 40 sheets and then it's Shiseido, and I bought two. They only had two. I would have bought more if I could, because I've heard really amazing things about these facial cottons. I've never actually tried them myself. I'm so excited. Like, I'm so excited. Like, these, they feel like little angels. Please don't mind my hair today. I literally can't get it to calm down. It just like is so poofy, and I think it's because the weather here has been so humid and rainy and gross. So that's the situation with my hair. Just ignore it. Speaking of hair, I did find a hair product, and I did want to mention this. It's the Big Sexy Hair, the Root Pump Plus. This is the 8 ounce, and it was retailing for $12.99 at Tjmaxx. This is something actually my hairstylist used on me the other day in the vlog that you saw when I got my hair done. I was asking about volume because my roots never have volume, and well, today this is a different story because this is just humidity that happened to my hair. But normally, like, the top of my hair is very flat. I was just asking how I could make it better, and she used this product on me, and that day it was so incredible. And then she told me to get a volume shampoo, and she recommended this brand but said honestly I could go get it from any brand, but I did end up finding it as well at Tjmaxx, and I did buy the shampoo, the volumizing shampoo from Big Sexy Hair as well, which was $12.99 there, and it's like a huge bottle. But I did get this there, and I think it's really amazing. This retails for $18 at Ulta, so you're only saving like $6, but you're still saving money, so that's a good deal. And yeah, so I did find this, and I was excited to find it because I'd never seen that one before. They have a different one, but I've never seen that exact one, so I was excited about that. Then I bought 2 packs of these simple makeup remover wipes. So I got this one, which is, I've never heard of this one. I probably just have not been paying attention because these have probably been around for a while. But this is the Simple Clear Skin Oil Balancing Cleansing Wipes, and these come with 25 wipes, and at Tjmaxx they retail for $3.99. So I did just want to get these because if you have been following me for a while, I do have really oily skin, and I don't know if they'll actually make a difference, but I figured, hey, why not try them, and I needed more makeup wipes anyway. So I got these. And then I got these as well because it sounded cool. So this is the Simple Spotless Skin Quick Fix Cleansing Wipes. This also comes with 25 wipes, and this says that it removes waterproof mascara. So basically it says it has zinc and chamomile for visibly clearer skin, and results start from day 1. I don't really know. I don't know. It just sounded interesting. It said it helps fight acne spots and stuff like that. So I was like, why not just try it? So this is what these look like right here. They're in the green package, and at Tjmaxx these ones were also $3.99, so good deal on these. I have used the simple wipes before, like the regular ones, and then they're micellar ones. I don't really like the micellar ones, but I liked the regular ones, so I figured I would try these ones too. So, and I've used them both already, and they did a good job taking off my makeup, so that's what I have to say about that. I've heard a few people talk about this, finding this at their Tjmaxx's and Marshall's, and I've never tried this before, but this is the CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Concealer with vitamins E, B3, and B5, and I got mine in the shade Fair. Like I said, I've never tried this before, but I've heard a lot of people say that it's really good, and at Tjmaxx it was retailing for $2.99, so I figured, why not just go ahead and try it out, because like I love testing out drugstore concealers, and if I can get one for $2.99, then hey, good deal by me. Then I did find quite a few Japanese products when I was shopping. I only picked up one, but they had tons of stuff, which was really cool. They had a highlighter that I really wanted, but someone swatched it, and I just wasn't about that. So I did find this. This is the Japanese Liquid Light Luminescent Highlighter. So this is a liquid highlighter, like it says. It's in a giant package, and it has a pump on it. It is a glass bottle, and this is 25 milliliters or 0.84 fluid ounces. And this retailed at Marshall's for $4.99. which I think is a great deal for the amount of product you're getting. I didn't tell you guys, I got mine in the shade 01, so this is the lightest shade that they do have, but I'm not going to use this as a highlighter. I'm going to use it as a body highlight because I have been looking for one of those for a while, and I was like, hey, this would work really well. So I did just grab this because it looked really nice and interesting, and I did test it out once I purchased it, and I think it'll give the most beautiful, like, shimmery glow to the skin. So I'm really excited about this. Okay, next is a bunch of high-end stuff that I was so excited for. This is like Becca Heaven. I did find the Becca Jaclyn Hill Champagne Pop highlighter, but someone decided to destroy it, and that's the only one I found, and I was very sad about it because I would have bought it. I did find this first. This isn't Becca, but this is the Buxom Full-On Lip Cream. And this is in the shade White Russian. Now this didn't have a box with it, but there were several other of these when I found it, and none of them had a box, which I kind of, like, now thinking about it, it kind of makes me uneasy. But, like, does it really bother me that much? Probably not. So anyway, this was $5.99, which is an incredible price, and I have never seen White Russian at either TJ Maxx or Marshall's. This is my favorite one by them. This is the best one by them in my opinion. I already do have one of these in my collection, but I thought for $5.99 I was going to go ahead and pick up another one because why not? I'll go through it quickly, and I love those. Those are my favorite high-end glosses ever. So I did pick that up. The next few products are some Becca products. So they did restock the, at least at mine, they did, okay, there was only one, but they put this out. This is the Becca and Chrissy Teigen Endless Summer Glow Gloss, and this one's in the shade Beach Bum. I'm not sure if you guys watched my haul a while ago. I think I showed you guys that I did find one of these and pick it up for myself. So I actually found this one, and I was really excited because I'm going to give it to Hannah, which Hannah's my sister. She really loved the glow gloss and told me that she wanted it. So hold on, let me get mine out because I don't want to open hers, even though she's my sister. I'm just not going to open it. Okay, so this is what it looks like here. It's just a beautiful nude gloss, and there aren't any glitters or anything in this, but it's like perfect. So that is what it looks like, and I'll do a swatch of this. I'll do a swatch of all of these lip products in a minute. There are two more lip products that I did pick up, and these are both from Becca as well. These are the Lush Lip Color Bombs. I got mine in the shade Cafe au Lait and the shade Chai Cream. Oh, I didn't tell you guys how much the Becca gloss was. It was $7.99 at Marshall's. Okay, so I got Cafe au Lait and Chai Cream, and they both retailed for $5.99. I did find one at TJ Maxx and the other one at Marshall's. The Marshall's that I went to actually had a whole lot more shade options, but I've only ever seen one of the Cafe au Lait, which is the lighter color one. So here's what the packaging looks like here. It's just like a clear, cool packaging. It is square, which is something I kind of don't like because I feel like sometimes it's hard to get this like cap off. Cafe au Lait is just a gorgeous nude color right here, as you can see, and then Chai Cream is like a little deeper brown color. You can see right there. I will swatch these, and I have already worn Cafe au Lait a few times, and it is incredible. The formula of these is very lightweight. You can hardly feel it on your lips, and it just really, like, it moisturizes. It feels very moisturizing to my lips anyway, and I am someone who has really dry lips. I've used it in place of a Carmex or a chapstick a couple times now, and it's incredible. So here we have Cafe au Lait, and then this one is Chai Cream, and on camera they're not picking up like that different, but the one on the top is definitely more of a pinky color, and the one in Chai Cream is definitely more of a brown nude. The Chrissy Teigen gloss, I'm going to swatch this one as well so you guys can see this. This is definitely a nude, like I said, but it is more of like a brown, kind of deeper nude, but it's still absolutely gorgeous. And then I will swatch the Buxom one as well and then show you guys. Okay, so here again we have Cafe au Lait and then Chai Cream. Those are the two Becca lip balms. And then this one is the Chrissy Teigen lip gloss, and then this one is the Buxom lip gloss. And then the last two items that I did find during my shopping trip are two that I am very, very, very excited about. So this is the Becca and Chrissy Teigen Glow Face Palette. This is the first time I've ever seen this at Tjmaxx or Marshall's. I thought that other people were finding them for like $12.99. Mine ended up being $19.99 at Marshall's. And this is strange to me. It has the Ulta like sticker on it, like the protecting sensor. So I'm kind of confused as to why that's there. I don't really know, but I did open up the palette once I got out of the store because they had it in a like secure thing, and it hasn't been tampered with. It still has the protective like covering on the outside. It does have the sleeve here, and then this is what the palette looks like. So it's very pretty. I had actually never seen this in person before I purchased it today. It's very dark, and as you can see, I'm very fair. So I'm not sure how this will work out for me. I definitely don't think that this one will end up working out for me. This one here is the rose gold highlighter. I'm not sure that that one will work out for me because it definitely is a little darker, but this one up here in Beach Nectar looks really pretty and promising. Also, I plan to fake tan here sometime soon, and maybe that'll help a little bit. So I don't know. I have high hopes, and it's very pretty, and it does come with two highlighters, a blush, and a bronzer. All of them are new and specifically only in this palette with Chrissy. And this is still on Ulta. Well, no, this is still on Sephora. I just saw it the other day, and it's still retailing for like $46, $49, something like that. So it's crazy to find it at TJ Maxx, really awesome, and I'm very excited about it. And then guys, this last product, I have not seen anyone find this, and I don't even know how I found it. I was looking at the skincare section, and I was about to leave, and then this caught my eye, and I was like, wait, what is that? And then I was like, no, it can't be. Guys, I found the Touch in Sol No Pore Bloom Primer. Like, I know this is only $18 like regularly, but I've never seen it at TJ Maxx before, and this just really excited me. They actually had this on sale at Ulta during their 21 Days of Beauty, and it was on sale for like $9, and I was gonna buy it, and I woke up that day, got online to purchase it, and it was already sold out, and I was like, what the heck? And that was at like 7 a.m. Sorry, that was like my little rant, but I did find this. This is the No Pore Bloom Primer, like I said. The smooth and pore covering, top secret for perfect makeup. I'm very excited to try this out. It has this beautiful like navy blue packaging with bright pink letters on it, and I found mine at Marshall's, and it was $9.99. Personally, I thought it would be a little less than that, but you know what, I still paid $9.99 anyway because I was very excited about it. And here is what the little primer looks like if you were unsure. I've heard this compared to Tatcha, I've heard it compared to the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, I've heard it compared to a lot of different primers that are supposed to be pore filling, and I've heard a lot of good things about this primer, so I'm very excited about it, and I can't wait to test it out. And then the last product that I did buy is a scarf, and that may sound weird, but I just saw this scarf, and it looked so cute, and so I picked it up. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it yet because I'm not one to wear many scarves, but it reminded me of like Burberry packaging, which I know that sounds weird. And that's not really why I wanted it, is because it looked like really high end. It just looked really cute, and I figured it might look cute with like a black t-shirt or a white t-shirt and like fall, and I don't know. I'll think about it, but I thought it was pretty cute, and it was $12.99, so that's kind of expensive for a scarf that I'm not even sure I'm gonna wear, but I don't know. Alright guys, so that is everything I have for today's video. I am very excited about this haul, and this is why I love Tjmaxx and Marshall's, my 2 favorite places in the world. And yeah, let me know what you guys have found down below, or if there's anything you're looking for specifically. I'm always on the hunt for something at Tjmaxx or Marshall. I love a good deal. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate your love and support. I hope you guys are having a blessed day or night, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!